Hey guys, I'm back at it with a quick review tutorial real quick because I've come and stumbled upon a problem. Hang up my blacklight because you know I'm one of those. So these instructions are not very clear. I don't know if I'm lost some brain cells in the past couple days, but they are not as clear as they should be for me. So I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna figure it out, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, so you don't go through the pain that I went through. Feel me? So I got you. I got you. This is really for you. You get it? This is for you. All right. Okay, so I lost one of the screws. I will improvise. These are the tools that I need. I need this. I need these two. There's two bolts. We got two bolts. One, and then we got this one. I actually broke it, so I put tape on it. Good as new. Let's try to do this. These two, I have my handy dandy screwdriver. What else am I missing? That should be it, actually. That should be it. At least just to get it pretty popped up in there. That's pretty much made it a little bit harder. I'm just gonna put them on like that. Hopefully my shit do not fall.
All the kids love their uncle.
I actually have a tripod.
The fuck?
Of course, duh.
JJ wake up
actually have a
looking for
tripod.
you in the morning. Uncle.
Gotta go. Gotta go. Where did I put me hammer? Thor's mighty hammer. It'll do. Oh man. No fit. It no fit. So redo it. Actually I gotta show you guys, so maybe I'll edit it. Oh, isn't this son of a biscuit? I mean the same way that it works this way, it could probably work this way, but I don't have no screws to make it. Mother of pearl. It's not gonna be on there, but I will demonstrate for you guys because it is pretty cool. I'll just put it right here for now. Vibes, the vibes. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty cool. Highly recommended. Got it at Walmart for $10. It's pretty effective on the nights where I just throw on that Daniel Caesar and just vibe, cause you know what I'm about. But that's gonna be it for this tutorial. It's gonna be it for this review. It's my first review that I've done. But anyways, I'm about to roll this up, so I'm gonna salute you guys. Until next time.